So the first thing I'm going to do is pick up the shade Enchanted from the JACLYN Hill palette, and I'm going to use a tapered blending brush. This one is by Lamora Beauty, and I'm going to apply it directly in the crease. And as always, I'm just going to use small circular motions and slowly build up that color. I'm also going to drag it outwards like this. Now I'm going to be taking a blending brush and the shade Medusa from the KARITY matte palette, and I'm going to use that to buff out this Enchanted shade right here. And now I'm just going to go directly on top of it and just blend it upwards. Now taking a more fluffier blending brush, I'm just going to buff out those harsh edges. Next, I will be taking a flat brush and some concealer, and I'm just going to cut my crease. Now this concealer is by Moira Cosmetics, and it's the Mega Waterproof Concealer, and it is one of my favorites to use. And here I'm going to take a small e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm really going to clean up that line. Next, I will be setting it with some Airspun translucent powder. And I'm going to be applying this NYX liquid crystals on top of that cut crease. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Matte Liner. Now with the smaller precision brush, I'm going to be taking some of that shade Enchanted, and I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. And then just smoke it out with a small blending brush. And for lashes today, I'll be using the ones by the Pink Makeup Box in the style Hermosa. And I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll link that down below. And this completes the final look, you guys. I think it's perfect for the upcoming holidays. Let me know what you think down below. And as always, you guys have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.